the investigation that has been carried out till now, one thing that has come to the fore is that there are specific agencies. The job of these agencies is to trap people and in fact take money from them, and in return of that money provide them question papers at least 10 to 12 hours before the examination is being conducted. Now the people who have been arrested in this entire matter, or the students who are appearing in those exams, they have all given the same statements in front of the police. Remember, the statements in front of the court has still not happened. The 164 statements has still not happened. In their 161 statements, they have very clearly stated that they got access to the question papers at least 12 to 14 hours before the examination was supposed to start. They were made to learn each and every answer by heart, and that is what eventually turned out in the papers as well. The main examination paper actually had the same questions that they had access to. So this is one thing that has come to the fore. Interestingly, the first FIR that was lodged in this entire matter was lodged on the very day that these NEET examinations were conducted, that is on the 5th of May in Bihar, in which these allegations were put forth. But at that point in time, the NTA had come on record and had categorically denied any sort of leaks that might have happened. Now, post that, as we speak, there are other parts of the country from where paper leaks have been happening. In fact, in the latest that we have been able to pick up in the NET exams, the NET UGC exams that have been cancelled, those papers also got leaked at least 24 hours before they were given to the students, or before the examinations was supposed to start. Now, the biggest problem at this point in time is what the students are also raising, is the absolute silence, or the radio silence, that we are hearing from the side of the NTA. The NTA, the kind of answers that the NTA has come out and given, be it for the NEET exams, controversies around the NEET exams, or for the NTA, those are very, very unclear, and hence the future of the students actually hang in balance. And that is the reason why we are now seeing that students from across the country have decided to hit the road, so that some sort of pressure could be built on the ministry, on the NTA, an agency that was actually built to make sure that exams are conducted in a free and fair manner, and agencies whose job was to make sure that paper leaks that happen day in and day out in this country, that could be stopped, those leakages could be stopped. But NTA has failed miserably at their job, and this is the kind of radio silence that the students are hearing, and that is the reason why we are seeing that the anger amongst the students is constantly increasing.